Rachel. Welcome to my Skinny Holidays Kitchen Edition. I'm here in my cheery Santa red, and we are ready today to make some vegan, gluten-free banana walnut muffins. Now that's a mouthful, and so are these. But here's what I love about them. They're super fast, they're gluten-free, and they are vegan. How are we making them vegan and gluten-free? Pretty easy. We're using a gluten-free flour. That's not gluten-free flour. Gluten-free flour, but here's how we're making them vegan. Instead of an egg, we're going to make a flaxseed meal egg. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a flaxseed egg. Okay, you're essentially going to take this. I like this brand. Use what you like. It's Bob's Red Mill whole ground flaxseed meal. That's what I use. Use what you like. So you're just going to take 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed meal. And to that, you're simply going to add 5 tablespoons of water. I've already done that. Okay. Mix it together and let it sit for 5 minutes. So let's wash our hands, get your ingredients together, meet me back here. We're gonna make them.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Okay, they are fresh out of the oven. These are perfect. It smells like banana bread. It smells like walnuts and fresh bananas. It smells so amazing. This is exactly how you want them to look. Now, when you press down on the tops of them slightly, they should spring back nicely. I just usually like to leave them in here for a minute or so it's not just ridiculously hot. Then I take each muffin out, put them on a cooling rack, let them cool, and then eat them. Now, you guys, these are so good. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they are delicious with a cup of coffee or a latte. You will love them on a holiday morning when you just want a little something to eat while you're opening gifts and waiting for breakfast to cook. So give them a try. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next week. Happy holidays!